Damn. Oh. Here we are, once in a blue moon. A little chill after work. Oh, so can we get over that? Yeah. Oh yeah, this is like total ice skating rink. Pure-footed like a cat. Decker, way up there. Can we churn through it? It's got poo in it. We'll avoid the poo section. Oh yeah. Churnage. Damn. Oops. Oh. The hell? Jesus Christ, Maynard. I tore my camera mount off. The fuck, man. Okay, well. Will it go back on? No. That was like JB Weld on there, huh? Yeah. Oh well.